Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to invert TradingView chart, full guide. Open the chart and right-click the price scale, then choose Settings to view scale options. Locate the Invert Price Scale toggle and switch it on to flip values. Check that indicators align correctly after inversion and adjust indicator settings if needed. Finally, save the layout so your inverted chart appears every time you load TradingView. In this video, I will show how to invert TradingView chart, full guide. Invert a chart to better see inverse relationships between assets and to make visual comparison easier. This method highlights correlations, divergences, and potential short setups that might be missed otherwise. Use inversion when comparing a currency pair to an inverse ETF or when testing hedge ideas. Always verify indicator alignment after flipping the price axis to avoid misreads. In this video, I will show how to invert TradingView chart, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy learning practical skills, consider the book I mentioned for clear financial perspective and sensible habits. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and make more guides possible. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to invert TradingView chart, full guide. If indicators look off, reset the price scale and reapply indicator defaults to resolve misalignment. For overlays, confirm that each symbol is set to the correct price scale so plots remain accurate. Create a duplicate layout before major changes so you can revert easily. Regularly review saved layouts to keep your work organized and consistent across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.